In this video, we'll show you how to download Paramount Plus shows on your Mac or Windows computer, as the official app doesn't allow direct downloads on desktops. Step 1. Get a Paramount Plus premium subscription. You'll need a premium subscription to download content. The Essential plan does not support this feature. Step 2. Install the Paramount Plus app, Windows only. Open Microsoft Store and search for Paramount Plus. Click Install and sign in with your account. Find your desired show and click the download icon to start the download. Step 3. Use a screen recorder, Mac and Windows. Download a screen recording tool, e.g., OBS Studio. Play your chosen Paramount Plus content in the browser, record and save the video. Note, this method may lower video quality. Step 4. Mobile app workaround, Mac. Install the Paramount Plus app on your iPhone, iPad. Download content and airdrop it to your Mac or transfer it via iCloud. Step 5. Watch your downloads. On Windows, open the app and access your downloads. On Mac, play your transferred content. Conclusion: though not as easy as on mobile, these methods will allow you to download and watch Paramount Plus content offline. Remember, always check the terms of service. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.